The district administration, West Jandi Hills District, celebrated the 49th Statehood Day of Meghalaya in Conference Room DC Office, Jowai. As a mark of remembrance of the day, a multi-faith prayer meeting was organized, partaken by various religious leaders and faiths. Deputy Commissioner Shri L.N.S. Dykes chaired the program. The program began with Bible scripture reading, read by Shri M.A. Chalam, MCS, Extra Assistant Commissioner Jowai. Prayer intentions were put forward for peace and harmony, for protection from all sorts of calamity, especially from natural disaster, and for upliftment in all other fields. For all religious leaders from all faiths and congregations in the state. For doctors, nurses, and all frontline workers who have played a role to fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. For families, parents, children, and all citizens. For the youth, the future pillar of the family, society, and the state as a whole, to be protected from all kinds of bad habits, especially in today's generation where lots of problems are being faced by them, such as unemployment, so that they may be able to fight against all bad habits that come into their lives. The intention prayer were offered by Executive Secretary KGP Synod Pingi Jowai, Reverend H.C.T. Sumer, Parish Priest, Catholic Church, Jowai, Reverend Father Hilarious Lamare, Moderator, KGP Synod Mingi, Reverend S. Lamare, Daloi Ilaka, Jowai, Wahe, Puramon Kinjing, Pastor in Charge, Unitarian Church, Jowai, Reverend H.H. Mormon, and Dean Kasi, Jantia Deanery, Church of North India, Jowai, Reverend Shempang Siangchai.
Nagawi karena cikuwi tuan tenang cetin di warung itu kia ikhui wa di chemi halusnem trigana dua ini por kerpang kamu bo bentai ni benta ki longyum ki longsem ki wa ma ka chlong ka tha da penpiang ni kini ki longyum sem atrigana ki de chet di kia de tram Akawi pakawi ka longyum kamanyung kau hapo ka jala wa ka ri yongi trigana ngo khamtami o me chirup Hakawi pakawi ka longyum de ba pendap ya kita giyung de maya de saya de yas nau tho jingmut o nang ye ya krelang o te ye giyung ka sem yongi de ba tips ke me trigana wala dam ye yu maya giyung ki sem yongi
what is Kalau public try kan dan buat thap kabel kan dia. Adua kan pala megle kan ko por. Tak betai kan elam jengi. Ko ban ra bi ne jengi. Pe di state jengi baro away kumpido. Chief Minister hadin ju ko na akan hon Minister baro ke MLA lokal MLA jengi. Yang Chief Secretary John the state jengi. Antara kam sarkar ada state juga baru kawai. Ya Chief Justice ada baru yang kenal yang ya kita itu senang. Jika state nakala ya jadi. Kalau dia yang kita tahu, adalah malu saya dulu berpunca juga. Tukar kod kalau iki nama kata, ayat lagi kalau kita kam, kecingkau cingkiak kami mesin, kiwek jalan kam, kenal berkenal beca kenal. Pangalaman ni harati jong kahap. Haka jeng roh jeng par ke state jengi, par haki wait bentar jeng jengi. Hei blay try kena, pas nak to snow jeng pan jengi.